Hi, welcome back to Basement Backgammon, and in this episode we'll be looking at problem 47 of Bill Robertie's 501 Essential Backgammon Problems series. We are heading close to having done 10% of the book. We're not even there yet, so there's plenty more to come. I've already been doing this for a month and a half. So here we are, problem 47. Blue is being asked to play a 6-6. Now you can see that blue has made their 5 point, they made the golden point, and red has answered by making the bar point, and red is also split from 24 to 22. Blue at some point has run up to the midpoint on 13, and you can see that they have 6 checkers here, not 5. So this is a well-developed board, and 6-6 is certainly a good role here. The question is, what does blue do with it? Does blue come down and hit a point? Do they come down and bring in a point from 8 to 2 to make an inner point? Or do they bring 4 checkers down? Those are the choices. So I'm going to give you 10 seconds to decide, and let's figure out what we want to do. If you need more time, hit the pause button. All right, we're back. And what Robertie says to do is play 13-7 with all 4 checkers. What this does is give you a 4 prime, gives you 2 builders, on top of these points, 6 and 7, to make more. And if you wanted to make and hit, you could even use lift up from the 8 as well. And it keeps your midpoint intact. Let's see why Robertie didn't want to hit inside or make 2 points inside, or make 1 point inside or hit loose or something to that effect, because there were other choices. Here's what Robertie has to say. An early 6-6 in the opening often gives the choice between a priming play and an attacking play. So what Robertie's saying here is we could prime here by making the midpoint, or we could have attacked by bringing 2 down and then hitting on the ace point, making a point on the ace point. The correct choice, going back to Robertie, usually depends on the number of men your opponent has in your home board. If he has 2 or more men back, a prime causes him real problems. So here, black should play 13-7 with all 4 checkers. So what Robertie's basically saying here is if he's escaped one of his checkers, just like we have, then attacking makes more sense. Priming, keeping them back, makes more sense with just with 2 checkers or more in the backfield. So that's what Robertie has to say about it, and I can't really fault him for this play. It gives us plenty to do. We could even bring down additional checkers from the midpoint to make more builders to extend our prime in future rolls. We just have to keep an eye on our runner in the back, although he's only got 3 points right now to jump over. Let's see what XG has to say about it. I'll be back with that video in just a second. And we're back with our XG analysis. Black to play 6-6, where black has made the golden point on 5, and white has made the bar point. Black to play 6-6. The question is, do you prime or do you attack? And let's see what XG has to say. XG agrees with Robertie. This is a case for bringing all 4 checkers down on the 7 point to make the prime, and then you can attack later. And I've tried this roll with all variations of match play. It's the same answer. Let's go to our table. First of all, if you want to see the pip count, it's almost exactly even, 153 to 152. But if you go here, this is prior to the dice roll. If you go here, you can see that this is the right answer by a significant amount. Going 13-1 to hit is a blunder by 9% equity loss, and anything else is even worse. So by far, this is the best situation. I hope everyone got this one. This is one of the easier ones, but still, I understand why you might want to do something tricky here. Just be careful and safe, and just bring them down and start extending your prime with additional builders and larger prime. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for future video uploads. I'll be doing 1 a day until the end of the series. Thanks a lot.